Hi everybody, just want to give a quick review and demo of this handheld miniature fan that I recently received. This is extremely convenient. I'm going to show you why. First, this is what the box looks like. When you unbox this, it is super simple. You have the instruction manual here, but you won't need to use much of it because this is pretty self-explanatory. So we're going to set the box down. To charge this, you have this USB-C cable that comes in the box, and this is super lightweight. This is less than a quarter of a pound. Has 3 different speeds, so we're going to turn this on right now, and this is the lowest speed. I'll let you listen to it. Let's go to the next speed up. Okay, and this is the highest speed. So even at the highest speed, you can still hear the sound of my voice, even from back here. So it's ultra quiet, it's ultra light, and one of my favorite features about this is the hook that goes on the buckle or backpack. So if you're going on a hike and it's during those hot months when you're suffering outside and you don't have access to a fan or any electronics or outlets for that matter, this is the perfect device to bring with you, because it clasps to your backpack. And you can also actually add this to your belt loop, just like that. So you can see it hanging down. I can walk with this easily. I don't even really feel that it's there at the moment. And then to take that off, I just go like that. And this is the plug for the USB-C port. As I mentioned, it is super lightweight. And I can think of a ton of uses for this, not only if you're outdoors or on a hike or going for a run, but maybe you're doing some work in the kitchen, or maybe you have that type of job where you end up doing a lot of outdoor work and you just need some relief during those hot months. This gives off a great amount of air. It feels really good on my face, nice cool air, and then with just one press turns it off. Also, if you want to actually use this on your desk, you can do that. And that's because this hook down here, it just stands firm like that, and it'll just stay upright on your desk if you want to use it like that. Or if you're outdoors, maybe you want to set this on a log or a tree branch, or hang it from a tree branch. Maybe if you're camping or setting up for the night. A ton of different uses for this. I absolutely love it. Happy to have you watching this review. Hope it helped, and thanks for watching.